What is up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's the Makeup Traveler here in collaboration with Evy Evette for our glitter look. So taking the Nicka K23 Perfect Matte palette, I'm going to grab the lightest brown in the palette and I'm going to apply that over the entire lid. I already primed my eyes, I did the rest of my face, I did the other eye as well. I wanted to give you guys an in-depth detailed description of how I achieved this look. So I'm taking that light brown color and applying it on the entire lid. Next, I am going to go in with a darker rusty brown to give it a kind of contrast. I don't want it to be, all one color. So I'm grabbing that dusty brown. I have hit pan, honey. Child, when I tell you this is my favorite color in this palette, this is my favorite color in this palette. Like, legit. I have hit pan. If they sold that thing by itself, I get it by itself. But until then, I'm just keep rocking with it. So, I'm going to take that rusty brown color and I'm going to apply that all over the crease. I'm really applying all of these colors, not necessarily precisely, but I'm really just slapping them on there because I don't want it to be like, a nice put together type thing. I want it to be like a messy put together type thing, if that makes any sense at all. So I'm gonna grab the darkest brown in that palette and I'm gonna work that right in the crease and on the outer corner of the eye. I really want to give it that depth, that dimension that it needs, so it won't all just be one color. So once I get those all blended in, I'm going to grab my E.L.F. liquid liner in the color Jetback. What the heck is Jetback? Jet Black, and I am going to construct a wing. Ladies, when I tell you, I have been practicing on these wings, honey. Like, I'm trying to cut somebody with these wings. How you gonna cut somebody with the wings? That don't make sense, Julie. What are you talking about? How you gonna cut somebody? But anywho, y'all get what I'm saying. I've been practicing on these wings now. So we just going to construct a nice wing. Once we have that applied, I'm gonna grab my Duo Lash Glue. I use this for not only my lashes, but I use it when I do my glitters as well, because I personally feel like, it does a better job at holding the glitter onto the eyelids than any other glitter glue would. So I'm gonna grab my Duo Lash Glue, apply that on the lid, and once I get that applied, I'm gonna add some gold glitter that I found at the Dollar Tree. Don't sleep on the Dollar Tree, ladies and gents, if you're watching too. Hey, I love them all. Don't sleep on the Dollar Tree because they have some nice stuff in there. I got a lot of glitters from there, and that's what I've been using in a lot of my looks. It hasn't irritated my eyes. It hasn't fallen into my eyes. Yes, there is a lot of fallout, I will say that. But, oh, look at that sun gleaming. Look at that sun hitting me in my high points, child. Yes. But anywho, okay. So it doesn't irritate my eyes, none of that. It's actually really, really good. It came like 6 in a pack, all different shades. So definitely go and check that out at your nearest Dollar Tree if you would like to. That's not sponsored, by the way. So I'm just gonna take my E.L.F. eyeshadow brush, grab the gold glitter, and I'm going to apply it on the lid as such. Really trying to pack the glitter onto the glue, because when you pack it on, then you get that nice glisten, you get that nice shine. You see how that glitter just glistening in the light? Look at that. twinkle, twinkle. Yes, girl. Yes. Okay. I'm sorry. I'm feeling myself right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dust away all that fallout that I was just telling you guys about. And I'm also going to clean up my lashes and clean up my winged liner, because I definitely don't want glitter to be in any of those. I'm going to take the same brush that I used to apply the eyeshadow and clean that off a little bit as well. But I'm going to also go back into the Nicka K palette, and I'm going to take all 3 shades that I put on my lid. I'm actually going to put that under my waterline so it can all blend together, starting with the light brown transition color, and then I'm going to move over to the rusty brown and then the dark brown. That sun is not playing, honey. That sun, ooh. That sun making me twinkle and sparkle like, what's off Twilight? Edward. If y'all are any Twilight fans out there, drop a comment down below, honey. Let me know which one was your favorite, because I love all of them. I didn't too much care for the movie, the last movie. It seemed a little too animated for me, but I still love it nonetheless. And I'm taking my Maybelline Colossal Big Shot Mascara in the color Blackest Black. I love this mascara, by the way. And next I'm going to take the same Duo Lash Glue and I'm going to apply my Ardell Wispy lashes. These are my favorite lashes. I've said this plenty of times before, but I definitely would like to try other lashes as well. But as of right now, these are it. Do y'all see that massive crater on my chin? Like, that pimple is just, oh my god, it just will not let me be great. I swear it will not let me be great. But it's alright, because I'm going to twinkle and shine with it at the same time. Yes, honey. Hold up. So that eyelash didn't want to cooperate a little bit on the front part. So we had to bring in some extra assistance. Extra assistance to get her all lined up and perfect and pretty together. So yeah, this pretty much concludes this video. I know it's short. If you guys like shorter videos, definitely let me know down in the comments section below. If you want longer videos, definitely let me know down in the comments section below. I'm just going to apply some N.Y.X Fortune Cookie Butter Gloss, which is another one of my favorites. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video, Lord willing. Don't forget to head on over to Evy Evette's page to check out her glitter recreation, as well as all of her other videos. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe on this video. And Lord willing, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!